Today we'll see how to create floor and roof in Revit, right? To create floor and roof, of course we should have wall for that. So I'll go to wall. Okay, from here you can choose wall architectural, and the width of the wall, the thickness, you can choose from here. It's 200 millimeter, and make sure you have connected with the level 2 height, and here we have level 2 height, it's connected. The template which we have chosen, you can see here we have level 1 and level 2, only 2 levels we have. So that's why I'm drawing, currently I'm on level 1 and I'm making walls on level 1. So you can start building a wall, for example, just dragging. If you want to give a particular dimension to that wall, you can enter also 6000 millimeter as well, or I will design just as such. Like any design you have, you can just make it simple like this, right? So for example, I have just made it like this. So this is my, for example, gonna be the house. Okay, so let's see how I can make a floor for it. If you want to see the 3D view, just go to here and click on this 3D icon. So it will show you the 3D view, and from here you can change the shade, and we have shaded view so that you can see what you are going to create. You can hold shift key and scroll wheel to orbit, and you can see your walls are attached to the level 2. Okay, now it's time to create a floor. So I will go to level 1, and here I want to create a floor for my house. So what I will do, I will go to architectural tab, and here I have a floor. We are going to create architectural floor. Okay, just click on that and you will get that optional bar. The optional bar will comes with every command, and it will tell you what options you have with that command, and also you can see the property over here. So you have taken create a floor boundary, floor command, and here we have thickness of the floor. You can change also from here what kind of thickness you want. For example, 1 mm, 150 mm fill you can take from here. Now you have to create a boundary for your floor. How to create a boundary? You have here complete draw panel, right? So here is written also boundary line. So you can take from here the creation method. So I will take line, for example. This is the first method. Many people are using this method, and you can continue to draw lines like that upon the wall boundary. And these magenta lines are the boundary lines, and it shows also you are inside the command of flow. Once you have completed the chain, then just click on finish edit mode. Then you will come down. If it's done successfully, you have created your first floor of the roof. Just go to 3D view, and here you can see the floor has been created for the house, and floor comes under the level. All right, in negative. If you want to see in elevation, just go to any elevation, double click here, and here you can see floor always comes under the level, right? So that's how you can create by a line method, but we have many simple methods also. I will delete from here, so it will be deleted here as well. Let's see what else next method we have. So if you have like irregular boundary like this, maybe sometime you may have the arc as well here, right? How? For example, I will just delete these walls. I want to create more wall. This time I want to create an arc so that we can, because arc is difficult to draw, right? So what I will do, I'm in wall creation mode. So I will go draw, and here I will take that start and arc radius, and make sure your height is connected to level 2. So click here, center line of the wall, and click here as well, and just make a arc wall like this, right? Now that it's done, so just cancel this command, double escape. Okay, cancel. Now I want to floor like this. I want to make floor because this will be difficult for you to draw exact the same arc. So in this scenario, what we'll do, we'll go to again floor creation mode. So go to floor and architecture floor. In this scenario, we are again in the draw. You will choose from here. This time I will choose this one, commercial 362 mm, and here draw boundary. So it will be difficult for you to draw. So here we can use two methods. First method is called pick line method, right? So you can pick the lines. Look at this. Once you click on the lines, now you will see it will pick the lines automatically. Once you complete the chain, then just click finish this mode. If you click this mode, now you will see how the floor has been created accurately, and it looks amazing, right? So if you have such kind of design where a lot of arcs are there, then you can just create your floor like this. I'll go to level 1 again. I will delete this floor. Okay, just delete it. So I will go again and floor and architecture floor. This time I will choose again 150 mm generic. So go to level 1. Sometime when you are using this peak line method, maybe you by mistakenly you have clicked on the inside line, right? So to avoid this situation, we have another option that is called pick a wall. So when you will choose this option pick a wall, then there will be no confusion at all. Now you can directly click on the wall, so it will take automatically boundary and just finish it. So this is the easiest method, I guess, right? So just go to 3D. Now you will see the floor has been created and it looks amazing, right? Alright, if you want to create a floor with the offset, right, then what we'll do, maybe some offset you want to give from here, or you want to edit it later. Maybe you want to take it some area of the floor outside. Anytime you can edit this your floor. For example, now you have selected this one. Now if you want to edit this floor, you need to edit boundary. If you remember, we created boundary of the floor when we are creating, so we can edit that boundary as well. When you click here, so it will take you, it will show you again the magenta lines you have created. It's a boundary, represent boundary. Now you can select, you can move any modification you want to do, you can do. But now you will see this arc will not attach with this. Okay, so this one you cannot go with this. So I will just cancel this one, and maybe from here, yes, we can expand this boundary, right? For example, click here. Just move it a little bit. Now you will see here this floor will come outside a little bit. This one also you can give little bit distance as well from here if you want to give distance. Now if you finish this one, now you will see your floor has been extended like that. All right, so this is the one way you can extend your floor as well. So I will delete. Let's see if you want to define in the beginning, right? So go to again level 1. Now again go to floor and architecture floor, right? Click on wall method. Now here you can define the offset, right? So it will save your time. For example, I want to offset 2000 millimeter. Now if you click on the wall and make sure your direction of the click, now it's coming inside. Don't click inside, just go outside like this. Now you can see it will connect also automatic. Wow, very nice. Look at this. All right. Now you have 2000 millimeter offset of your floor. Once you close the chain, just click here. Now you will see the floor has been created and it looks amazing, right? Then what we have to do, if you want to like edit again, just select this one and edit boundary. You can do any modification. One thing in Revit, if there is a boundary, if you will create a boundary inside boundary, it will create a cutout. For example, if you will make a circle here, so if you will make boundary inside boundary in Revit, so it will make a cutout or it will make a hole like that as well. Same thing we can do in roof as well. If you want to do in the floor, you can somewhere if required, but mostly it doesn't require. Go to edit boundary. So here you want to delete it, just select and delete this boundary, right, like that, and then finish this one. All right, now the floor has been created. If you want to edit floor property, instant properties are there. So where you have created on level 1, height from offset, you can also change. If you want to change, for example, its thickness, now it's 150 mm. Go to edit type property, right? Here you can duplicate it, or you can change also thickness from the edit structure. When you go here, from here, if you want to change thickness, you can change from here as well. For example, I want to make it 300 mm. If you want to apply material also, you can click here and you can choose any material from the material browser and you can apply on your floor as well. Click here, croc tiles. So I want to take it to the document window and also it should appear here. Now it's selected, just go to apply and OK. So now you can see croc tiles has been applied. Now just click OK. Now apply and OK. Now it's applied. You cannot see here because you need to go to the realistic view. Click here, realistic view, then it will show you the maps on the material, right? Look at this. We can edit this material also, the size and the color. We'll see in another video. So now what we'll do, I will just come back to shaded view, all right? And if you want to edit again, you can edit. So this is the way to create floor in the Revit, all right? To create a roof, you need to go this roof option, right? and here we will select roof by footprint. All right, then we will see also roof by extrusion method. So you need to click on roof by footprint here, then it will tell you where you want to create roof. Of course, I have drawn level 1. I want to create roof on level 2, right? Just click yes. So the optional bar will came, and now you are ready to start boundary. As you can see, the same option we have here, the drawing options here to create a roof. So it's the same like we have created floor, and it's the same method to create roof as well, but only the options are different here. Here we have defined slope, and also we have overhang. Okay, this option we have here. So what we have to do before drawing, you can click the same method. You can take line, then you can create your roof as well. Here it will define slope, and also chain we have offset. If you want to give, you can give offset. If you want to take some roof outside of the wall. So right now the same method, you can draw lines as well if you want to draw lines. All right. I would not prefer this one. Sometimes it's hard, so I will prefer to make choosing the walls. Now if you click this one, now you will come back to 3D and you will see your roof has been drawn. Right, again I will just delete it, select and delete, just go to level 1 again. Let's see other method we have, architectural, and here we will go to roof and roof by footprint. Level 2, yes, I prefer go for pick line or the pick wall method as well. Just click this method and define slope for all sides. You want to define slope. Now you can select wall as well from here, this here, and here. Right, the symbol you see here, this icon, this define its slope that side. Right, now just finish this one. Now if you will come back to 3D, this one also you can create, right, like that. I will delete this one. So again I will go to level 1. All right, then again we will go to roof, and from here roof by footprint, and level 2. This time I'm gonna select a rectangular roof, and here I want to define the offset as well. Offset I want like 2000 mm. Now if you will click here, so you will see it will give you the offset outside as well. Click here. Now finish this one, and you will see the roof has been created with the offset, and it looks amazing. So if you want to change this the setting of the roof, you can go here and you can change from here the slope angle. So it's 30. You can make it, for example, 20. Now you will see it will come down. So you can change like that. If you want to do it manually, you can do also manually as well. Some settings of the roof you can change as well. Right? I will do undo. Let's see if from some sides you don't want slope. Right? From here, this side I don't want slope. I want to keep it simple. This side and this side. So what you will do, just click here and edit boundary. All right, edit footprint. Just click here. So here you can see you have this slope shape. Just you need to click on that line and just uncheck this define slope option. Right, so it will just uncheck this one. Click here. Now here define the slope. Now finish this one. Now you will see, so the slope will be missing. Now the challenge is how we can connect, because the roof is not attached with the wall. The best option in Revit, I like it, you can attach the wall with the roof, right, on one click. And let's see how we will do that. You need to select the walls, click here, right, and here we have very good option that is called attach top base. So you need to click this option and just click on the roof. You will see it will attach automatically, right. Same here, you can select. Now you can see here we have gap. Why? Because this wall is not attached. So you can select all walls with the control by pressing control, and you can attach at the same time as well. Now all walls selected, go attach top base and click here. Now it's magic and it looks very nice. Look at this. All right. So if you will go to level 1, from here you can extend the little bit wall as well. Right. For example, I will just extend this wall a little bit because my roof is a little bit extended, and from here now if we'll go to 3D, and you will see how amazing it looks. Right, look at this. All right, you can align with the face as well, this one wall with this face, so it will be equal. So that's how you can go with it. Right, if you want to add it again, you can go and edit boundary, so you can edit the shape of the roof as well. All right, in some scenario we don't want, for example, the slope roof, we want a straight roof. If you will delete this roof, the wall will be straight as well. Now Now what I want to do, I want a flat roof, I don't want slope. Then what we will do in this scenario, so just go to again roof and roof by footprint, right, and level 2. Now from here select this rectangular method. I will select this one and just uncheck this define slope option. That's it. When you uncheck and you will create the roof, you will see now, so it will not give you slope for any side. Now it will be flat roof, right? So that's how you can create a flat roof if you want to create. All right. Later, if you want to give slope again, of course you can give edit footprint and click here and then define slope. All right, and click here and again define slope and finish this one. Look this, amazing. Then same you can attach. All right, so that's the way how you can create a roof. There are some options also for the roof you can get from here. For example, we have the slope and also refer cut. You can just change from here. We have 2 cut plumb, so you want to match with the thickness of the wall, you can also change from here if you want to. Plumb cut will keep by default, it will attach. All right, so that's how you can create roof, and it looks amazing as well. All right, the second method of creating roof is by extrusion method. Okay, that is very interesting, right? If you want to create a designed roof, if you go for example in roof, and you will see this roof by extrusion, and here in the demo you can see how they created the curved roof, right? If you want to create a curved roof, then we will use extrusion method. We will make a shape, then Revit will extrude it in a direction. So we cannot create that extrusion from the floor plan, from the top view. So we need to go to any elevation, or we need to select a plane, work plane. If you are in elevation, so I would advise you, if you are a beginner, you should go to any elevation of the room. All right, for example, you can go north view, and here you can go south view or the west view. So I'm on north view. I'm going to design the roof like this, because on elevation, any elevation you can design. From the top view we cannot. Now if you will go to the roof again and roof by extrusion method. So if you have curved roof, designed roof, then we will choose this. Now it will ask you to select the work plane. So now pick a plane. I will pick this plane as well. So its plane has been picked, and here it's asking, do you want to draw on level 2? Yes, click OK. Now you will come back to again on draw mode. Now from here you can select, for example, I want to make a design roof. I will start from here like this. So this is going to be my roof for this house. So select this one and just finish. You can select the thickness also from here if you want to change. Now if you go to 3D, and you will see the amazing roof has been created. Look at this. Same, you will select wall, multiple wall with the control key, attach top base, click here, and that's it. All right, same thing you can do as well. Click here, attach top base, and click here. Wow, very nice. Look at this, amazing, right? Same, if you have any curve roof, you can design. If you will delete, so it will make flat walls as well. Again, I will go to north elevation. So now again you will go to roof and roof by extrusion method. Then pick a plane. You have to pick a plane as well. Oh, okay, let's see if you are on a level 1, right? So you want to create a roof from this direction to this, from the front view. Then what do you have to do? Again, if you go to roof and roof by extrusion method, so it will ask you pick a plane. Okay, I will pick this plane. Now it will ask you, right, which elevation you want to draw. All right, you want to draw with the north or with the south. Okay, from here you can select any of them, open view. Then again the same thing, it will take you to that elevation. Click OK. Now again you will start to drawing a roof. This time I will make an arc and like this, right? Click here and click again here, and this one, right, this again. So click here and you can make this kind of roof as well. Finish this one. It looks amazing. So I'll go to 3D, and here, wow, it's nice, right? So you can attach this wall again with the roof, and you will see how perfectly it's done, right? So this scenario also you can do. Okay, we have, if you want to draw your work plane, because work plane is very, very important in Revit, because you have to draw everything on work plane. So you can make a work plane reference. Okay, you can make your own work plane. So go to here, reference plane. Then just make it like this line. So here, this one you have made it. So click here to rename and click to name as well. So or you can give name from here as well, right? So what I will do, I will just give its name. So select this one, all right, and here you can give name. For example, it's a front plane, right? So now what I will do, now this time if you will go to roof and choose this roof by extrusion, so it will ask you pick a plane. This time I will choose name, select this one and go to here and reference front, reference plane we have. So now we will click OK. Now it will ask you which elevation you want to go. I want to go north elevator. It will take you again on that one. Alright, many ways to create your reference plane or work plane. Then you can start again your roof, right? Any design you want to create of the roof, you can even design. And later you can apply material as well. Look at this, very nice, right? You can choose also the thickness if you want to change. And also you can choose the cut if you want to change the cut of the roof as well. And it looks nice as well. Now go to 3D and you will see amazing. Same if you want to change its material or thickness, edit type. Same we did with the floor. You need to go edit structure and thickness and material. You can change from here, right? So that's how you can create a floor, you can create a roof by extrusion and footprint, and also how you can apply a material on that.